Good evening, gentlemen. Tonight we will attempt to pick this small ABUS lock. It's a model 5540, so 40mm, nothing strange in the keyway. It's a used lock, only 4 pins. Does work. And let's attempt and pick it real quick. We'll use a prep arm and let's slam those pins into place. So that was pin number 1. Let's go to the back, see, that should be pin number 2. Come on, pin number 2, okay. Let's check upon 1 because I think we dropped it. Yes, we did. So number 1 and number 2 set. It seems like there's some security pins, but because of the wear, it's a bit hard to know exactly. At least for me to guess. Which one did we drop? And open. So that's the ABUS, the 5540mm. And thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay legal. Cheers.